In fact, I may compare education, that of NDC ni MPP. MPP, was through.
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
In fact, I may compare education, that of NDC ni MPP. MPP, was through in terms of investment in education, NDC. Still na no, yebra haruna idrusu, ontimi mache, sa records na, yebra nana kufuado ho, Emma education. Inti free senior high school, ebaye, odikandi minya penyi napo, ebaye. Napo bone ho modern pa to ensure say free senior high school no, yashasiye, se dio, se enya dio, yashasiye. Ko president by 2017, but the first year now no see there be free senior high school na was say yashasiye. Eno ye ni ye. Ye betimi aka say challenges wo ho, but be any what challenges any. But he was committed say free senior high school no obeya mana yi. Oye yenso eduru baby kra na nkra no any baby omu beda. Eduru baby kra na yesi green, any blue. The most important thing was that despite our four na green ni blue ni na se for to the bia omo betra fie 1 month na oma tra fie 3 months no ma school 1 month ni na se for no ni nyina kekabo mu no at least abofra bi etimi ko school free under na Addo danko akufuado. That was progressive thinking. O man bia be ko nanim a education eno na Addo danko akufuado ye no ene me guso bona baso was our education ho. Why ade ewo education adesua sika wodi hye mu de den de emre ni nyina wo se nkra ni nko school enti na po free ho no e na yewra doctor yaw adutwum ebae papa no so ba beto ade na po eye no so no osa de kon nani mo eme ehun se enwomesua be kon nanim yi a na say e was say ye movie from the bia de ye di baba ne baba die no ne ye de ekọ de abel from quantum pond de tie ebusia mame kan kire ene adusua asesa first no na ye kan adusua na obia na adwen ne say ontra classroom nko a ene asesa ene obetimi atena wo fie na wasua de nyina wie enyoma asesa
waste management capacity improvement. Ebe cost Ghana by 55.2 million US. Component 3, a participatory upgrading of targeted flood-prone low-income communities and local government support. And no cost in 58.8 million US. Component 4, a project management. Cost 9 million. And a component 5 contingent emergency response component and no cost 65 million US. Now, in 5 components in so when who any COVID-19 related expenditure be yes, there is nothing like that. Now, page 1 hona yentie World Bank for kai Efa a project implementation no se Ghana aban use sika ne de ye ne sese wo de ya na se wan use sika no amfa anye ne sese wo de ye na emum o divert sika ne de koye COVID-19 related expenses te se ne Franklin Kuju e kan wo Facebook na now o hwe paragraph 1.1 with the title development objective ehɔ na nsɛm de wo na ma me kwan me ba be kan no ate ase yi tie o say the objective of the project is to improve flood risk management and solid waste management in the Addo River Basin of Greater Accra region, improve access to basic infrastructure and services in the targeted communities within the Addo River Basin, and to provide...
What do you want for assembly? One farm sanitation bill. Anyawa, sanitation for this sika. Yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for one fan yeshi. Na uba obeje sanitation for. Na woje ye no. Anyawa, sako hwenra sako shi ta. You show tonso na baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa hu ba eja shishie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa ucha pad. Saka wide. Udu se pad na ebe ye bibia mo. Into to hwan form omo nye adwuma no. Udu be man krof foforo. Unfa ma assembly. Unfa ma sanitation bio. Anyawa. Sanitation for this sika. Yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for omo fa nye hwe. Na uba obeje sanitation for. Na woje ye no. Anyawa. Sako hwenra sako shi ta. You show tonso na baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Nkwa hu ba eja shishie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa ucha pad. Saka wide. Udu se pad na ebe ye bibia mo. Into tukoso no wakisin nwe. Uchire biangasa. Sawa sa kwato alumia babi. Na du train na okoto ye no. Ni di okwafa baye. The same thing. Wasa kwato alumia, wasa kwato kafrugban. Asa abakro mu habi. Ade na wo tete ho sa. Uno wa na kwa challenge. Train na masa kwato no. Minister of Highways and then your friend say train and hwan makoto aba no. Train dey someone twitwa na alumia as soon as possible na mo nton mo behu. Now then dey asema. Is it that is incompetency or what? What flighting mu na why say? Unkunwa wo baye. Seko
esese gomu afọ to abama wo na wo ba be ye MP na wo ba be di gomu afọ so wo na wutime ba bontin be criticize nia government bi aye wonim se nia government ya ye yi e benefit your mind no much more than wo government na wo praise no oponi hia chipo oponi hia chie wo captain smart ne si wunya MP a wo bedi ade na wo MP mu se nye sika na wo ba be pa wo die pa na obetumi a contribute dia ma man Ghana dia na captain smart obetumi a contribute ade ama gomu afo obi onu timi ba bontin beka se MPP bete na so anye hwe obi a onu wa ba bontin antime me president MPP se MPP ba amambuami odin hihye bi odin nyoma bi se na odi gu akwam ma ne bo man Ghana wonim papa so wakata wani ka bone no okra oti unya MP obedi na napo category eno category eyepe insu atona asobi a wo so pese wo ye MP obi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho insu atona yiri nkofo na asobi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho be gina wo platform so akatire president John Mani Mahama se insu ato enti ye na ye bibi fa ho no wo gina
abusia ne obo kwasia pa mbre sen ne wotie no NDC for no mobile Captain Smart pass on be 20 TV so no one chan tronya propaganda on cansem hunu won di atem no omo mbre sen Ghana for na they think say Captain Smart no ni nyansa bi na o ka no kora no nti wo mutie no omo bre Ghana for na o mutie Captain Smart no Omo no omo bread. Now you see about to rent I see one crime man 4 days ago. Nipa over 37 actually woman kwa. Tiense mhunu ne nkwasa asema Captain Smart kwatena TV so e kan. Hwe no uwi abra ne nkanya asem nkyere no.
De to yen enene nansa ne de nyina no. Eye nipa bone sama MPP fo di o man yi. Hwe nipa do MPP fo ma o mo.
Jene da no. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Kwa ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the number of hospitals in the because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look, I say hospitals and they go and no me say. It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country was I would to me say, oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator me on fund free seniors who so may comfort. You see, I ain't Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokikam Kakaka. Why are they shouting? Ubian Kanum to Nankono. I saw for no common into with the greatest of respect, among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women on common to them queen in a home. Ubian Kanum to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open quantity. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa de Sebi, ye be a getting invest getting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open getting. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most open getting. Is any one day? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me papa, and I feel I'm watching them. Men are warning was such a message. Men are me catch you by John Dramani Mamas or members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, yeah, most daddy. Digitalization and talking to move a kinky sika. It's a mamma papa number, mamma kinky, and mamma added a mokum. You will come here. And you are John Dramani Mamma could not, if I say, and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, I'm only kinky and we have utilization there. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Says a dear Koya cried him and now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member Br0ught region. Now, Miss Films, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say, where I can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no, ye former staff a man am one, which is never true.
Onya
Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes. Now, why you post?
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.